నమస్కారం హెచ్ఆర్ టీవీ9 న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. ప్రతిక్షణం ప్రజల కోసం.
Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, as well as those cities can have the opportunity to establish their establishment here in Vijayawada. So this is the purpose of organizing this industrial exhibition in Vijayawada. Vijayawada is a very well located place in the country, equally connected, equidistant from Chennai, Bangalore, Nagpur, Bombay and other places. So it provides a very good opportunity for the future. If you consider Vijayawada is likely to be the center activities after Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam, it is likely to develop industries here in good numbers. Since we are organizing exhibitions in more than 12 cities, we know how in future this city will grow in terms of industries. Logistics is again a very big sector. Logistics is again a very big sector, and Vijayawada will be benefited in logistics, warehousing, because it is going to be a key distribution center for many products across the country. So there are the opportunities available in our Vijayawada, and this exhibition is going to serve the purpose. It is a platform to meet industry with the suppliers. This year we have about 80 participants who have come from Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Nagpur, Mumbai, Delhi, Indore, Bangalore. These are the exhibitors who are putting their stalls in this exhibition. People from the local industry will be able to meet them and will explore the possibility of further business. It is exchange of business opportunities. This exhibition also helps to startups. If somebody wants to start a new business, they can talk to the exhibitors who are putting their stalls there. They can explore the new business. They can take the dealership, distributorship, integrators, some small factory. If some startups are there, they can put up the small factories also in Vijayawada. So this exhibition is going to serve the multi-purpose way to the industry. In multi-purpose way, it is going to help Vijayawada. People are coming from here as visitors also across the country. So we will have the exposure of the industry at other places also. People will be able to see the possibility of joining hands together here in Vijayawada. So it is our effort. It is our efforts to develop this place, bring them at par with other cities, provide them opportunities. No doubt it is our first exhibition in Vijayawada and there are challenges, but we have tried to do it. This exhibition is supported by, first let me thank our association partner AP MSME and their president and honorary president Mr. Bayana Saab and Durga Prasad ji and honorary secretary Ramchandran ji for their full support for organizing this exhibition. This exhibition is supported by MSME ministry also. So whoever is placing a stall there, MSME is supporting the industry. They are reimbursing the cost of participation. If any industry or any enterprise wants to participate in this exhibition, which is approved by MSME, they will pay the cost. MSME will pay the cost to the unit up to rupees 1 lakh rupees, up to 1 lakh rupees they are paying. MSME is paying to the unit for participation. So this is an exposure, just starting the exposure. Local units, if they are participating in exhibitions in other places like Chennai, Bangalore, in other exhibitions, not ours, even they can get the reimbursement for their participation charges through MSME. So this is the very good initiative of ministry to support our local industries, and we want local industries and people to come forward and participate and get the business, because exhibitions provide them a very good business. Whoever is participating in the exhibition is getting very good business and exposure. But the problem is the cost. If somebody is participating in Chennai or Bangalore, it is a very heavy cost. And government is now paying that cost up to rupees 1 lakh for cities like Vijayawada and 1.5 lakhs in Chennai, Bangalore and metro cities. So that money is reimbursed after participation to the units by MSME. So it is a big help for units participating in these exhibitions. Second benefit is from NSIC for micro and small industries. They give particular support for participation and they pay charges to the organizer for micro small industries. So here whoever wants to participate, they can approach to NSIC that we want to participate in this particular exhibition which is approved. You can see on their portal which exhibitions are approved. People can participate according to their products and their net worth, and they get the reimbursement. So that is in minimum cost you can promote your products in even metros also. So this is the exposure, this is the advantage of our ministry support to our industry. So this way, if you see, government is helping lot and we have to take the advantage of their schemes. So we appeal to the industries of Vijayawada to contact MSME for other exhibitions and they can participate there. Yeah, because now MSME